Hello and welcome again to another DSPB video. In this July summer episode I'm showing you my latest results with the very affordable manual classic Fujifilm 55mm 1.8 portrait lens in the zoo. Wait, in the zoo? With the 55mm 1.8? Yes, I really wanted to test if this mid-telezoom focal length of 55mm is not just suitable for portraits, but maybe also for animal shots in the zoo. Stick around for the next minutes and watch my video and photo results taken with this classic lens on the Fuji X-T2. Now the focal length of 55mm is really not what you would take with you in a zoo normally, but as you can see it worked great for me in the zoo and I'm very happy with the results I'm getting with this classic. The more I'm using this lens and really get to know its strengths and practice manual focusing, the better my results are. I really love the 3D look and background separation this lens is capable of capturing on the X-T2, and also the level of detail is quite amazing. If you can get a good copy of this 80s classic, get one, it's totally worth it. I hope this zoo trip inspires you to go out and shoot some animal photos. Don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a banana. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.